Amazfit zenbuds are smart sleep earbuds with soft and stretchy silicone ear tips and a charging case that gives them 7 extra cycles. Do you have trouble falling asleep? Honestly, a good night's sleep with Amazfit zenbuds is as easy as taking them out of the case. With ultra-stretchy materials and soft texture, Amazfit zenbuds are the best in-ear fit to stay quiet all night long. Simply tilt it in and it will stay nice and secure. Connect them to the app, and you can listen to a variety of nature sounds to induce your sleep. Oh, and don't forget to set up an alarm before bed. Amazfit zenbuds are so comfortable to wear, even when you toss and turn, you won't feel a thing. When you're soundly asleep, it will auto-stop the music playing. In the morning, Amazfit zenbuds make sure to wake you up. And only you. Shh, you don't want to wake her up. It will also track your sleep pattern every night, and you can easily check it on the app. Are you having a hard time focusing on your work? The Pomodoro timer built in the earbuds will help you boost your focus by keeping a balance between work and relaxation. Ultimately, a good time off will always be a plus for your productivity. Did I mention the smart notifications? With 12 hours on a single charge and 7 cycles charging case, the Amazfit zenbuds will always be there, ready to help you relieve from the daily hassles.